what's up, people? So I'm bored, but I have an exam. A bunch of things to do right now. What? Let's be stupid for a while because I was stupid yesterday evening. Yeah. So lately I've been addicted to this, into the mental outcome bar. I need to clean my closet. A lot of things going on in my mind, and I don't think if I'm still normal because I frequently talk to myself inside my brain. What the hell is wrong with me? Anyway, why am I making this stand? Like, with this one to my phone, and I'll use that for today. So I'll just substitute that with this one. That's so stable. Anyway, so don't mind devices. What do I do right now is I need to count some money. If I can still survive tomorrow. Yeah, I'm about to go to church tomorrow because it's been a while since the last time I told them. So I guess my money is just, a 22 pesos for my transportation. 7, 10. Yeah, I can survive tomorrow. So we have right here 22 pesos. And then, okay, let's put it back. So, another one. Let me just calculate. I can buy a freaking fucking phone that I'm craving. So yeah, I just find that so weird. Anyway, oh baby, love make me crazy. Mm, I must get an ID right now. I don't have any valid ID aside from my school ID, which I don't think is sufficient enough. So right now, what do I do? Just account. Five hundred, one, two, three, four, five. 500 pesos. Not that right. Six, 650. Discount. Yes. Number 1,000. No. One. Wait. It's 1, 5. I must get my calculator. I'm moving here. Wait, wait. Let me just do the math.
lang sa kasundan ka rin, di mo pantay ka rin.
2,650, 2,650 plus, wait, 2, 6, two, 650 plus 2,650 plus, let's say like it's 2,500, 2,500 plus 1,500, 10K. I think it'll work.